Guys, what's up? So today I am going to start Polity Current Affairs for UPSC 2020 to the marks. So here first topic is Foreigners Tribunal. Okay, why this is in news? Actually, in recently Ministry of Home Affairs made some amendment in this. Okay, before this amendment, it can only start by the central government, but now amendment happened. It given the power to district magistrate and district magistrate in all state and union territory to set up tribunal to decide whether a person staying illegal in India is a foreigner or not. So this is the means the powers to constitute tribunal were vested only with the center. However, now it is available to the state as well. Okay, now so actually what is the foreign tribunal? Okay, now it came in force by the Foreigners Tribunal Order 1964, an order of the Ministry of Home Affairs under Section 3 of the Foreigners Act 1946. So it is applicable to whole country. So यह एक जुडिशरी बॉडी है, मीन्स सेमी जुडिशरी बॉडी है, जुडिश क्वासी जुडिशियल ऑर्डर ओनली ये ट्रीट करती है हियर. So final binding on all parties including upon the cases pertaining to the preparation of NRC in Assam. So this is in news because it means it established in the Assam for the NRC situation going on in the Assam. So it can be applicable any part of the country. You remember this thing. Here then amendment also amendment taken that it also means for DM can form the tribunals in all the state and all the union territories. So this is important first topic. So now other topic is we can remember here means Bru refugee. Bru refugee, actually this refugee is the means are spread across Tripura, Mizoram and part of southern Assam are the most populous tribe in Tripura. So this is, remember, this is the most populous tribe in Tripura. So that's why. So Bru refugee actually coming under PBTG. PBTG means particular vulnerable tribal group. So here why this is in news? Actually here union government and Tripura and Mizoram have signed an agreement with the Bru Yafriang community that promises to end their 23 old internal displacement crisis. Now you can say what the के inter migration होता है या intra migration होता है one state से other state में. So that's why this is community is in news. So here we can say this is the ethnically different from the Mizos. Okay, now because here the regional community that is have the different culture from the Mizo and Garo, Khasi, Jayantiya from this is totally different from the other tribal community. So that's why this is form one of the 21 scheduled tribe of Tripura. So this is, remember here, this is also yes. Here we can discuss one more point here. Okay, so here refugees को normal resident के rights सारे दिए गए हैं state के द्वारा and also able to enjoy the benefit of social welfare scheme of the central and state government, because now this is come under the recognition. BROB, Bru refugee and also Riang community come under the recognition of the central government because now it is coming under the PBTG, particular vulnerable tribal group. So here you must be remember these things. Now I'm going to other topic is the most important topic is the right to internet. Why this is in news actually? Now what? There's a turmoil going in the Jammu and Kashmir last we can say last 1 year around approximate from the 1 year. That's the last 6 months. It's a suspension of the internet in the Jammu Kashmir. So many people come forward uh, and fill the petition in the Supreme Court and High Court. Then why these things are going on? Because we are living in the democracy. So this is not the right way to impose restriction on the internet. So why? So that's why this is in the news. So this is the what? So Supreme Court decide here right to internet is the part of fundamental rights. Okay, Supreme Court decided it will come under the article 19.1a and 19.1g of the Indian Constitution. So many three judge bench of the Supreme Court in response to question raised over the claim imposed in the Jammu and Kashmir asserted that the right to internet access is a fundamental rights under the 19.1 and 19.1g. So why in right to internet come under which one act? Okay, so it will come under IT Act 2000 and Criminal Procedure Code 1973 and the Telegram Act 1885 are the three laws that deal with the suspension of internet services. So here we can say in 19 that's fundamental right 19. It's so many regional restrictions also in there because we cannot freely speak anything about the government and the other about the parliament and the president. So many regional instructions also there. So some balanced judgment given by the Supreme Court here that could recognize that 2017 rules are the only procedure to be followed to suspend internet services in the occurrence of public emergency. So remember here is public emergency or for it to be in the interest of public safety also. So that's why that suspend the Supreme Court means clear justified that that's why we are going to suspension of internet in Jammu and Kashmir. Here you can see many verdict on the internet. So means internet shutdown given by the Supreme Court. Here we can say. So now one thing other means we can go in brief in this. So in 2017, internet suspension order was issued under the section 144 Criminal Procedure Code. You can remember here in section 144 Criminal Procedure Code के अकॉर्डिंग ही इंटरनेट को सस्पेंड किया गया था जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में. Here you can say and also central government notified in 2017 that's a temporary suspension of telecom services means a public emergency or public services rule under the Telegram Act to govern suspension of internet. That's justified by the central government also here कि हम लोग टेलीग्राम एक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग ही टेम्परेरी सस्पेंशन ऑफ इंटरनेट कर रहे हैं जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में. So that's why. So many judgment came. First, you can say that internet should be come under the fundamental rights to freedom of speech and expression and the right to carry on trade or business using the internet and constitutionally protected. So other things also, although the court stopped short of ruling that access to internet is a fundamental right, it said that the internet as a medium is used to exercise other fundamental rights. So many rules means the day by day and the month by month many judgment given by the Supreme Court. The final decision came to okay, it is according to 2017 rule are the only procedure to follow the suspension of internet because of public emergency and in the interest of public safety. And other thing also the contempt authority. Okay, retreated that the contempt authority contained in the 2017 rules to issue an order under the suspension rule. So this is also very important. So remember, it will come definitely in the exams. Right to internet is a fundamental rights. Is coming in which articles? Same thing is right to marry. Right to marry coming in which article? Here, one news in generally in means someday before. It's what the trans person. Okay, for the trans person is the marry is fundamental rights and or not. So that's why Supreme Court decided judgment. Here judgment had one. Madurai bench of the Madras High Court has extended enjoyment of civil rights because generally is the marriage and other some the normal life act always come under civil rights and the human rights. So especially those pertaining to marriage to trans person here. So the marriage between man and trans woman and the trans man means gigolo, and you can say some lesbian and all and some gay. So to be valid under the section of Hindu Marriage Act 1955. You remember 1955. So you remember, right to marry come under the Article 21, life to liberty. Because what's the Article 21? Life to liberty. Every person can live according to our requirement is life in the world. Okay, so this is come under life to liberty. Now I am going to other next important topic is minority educational institutions. That is most important here. So MEI. Here why this is in news actually. What happened? इसमें क्या हो रहा था कि एक माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी जो भी स्कूल्स या कॉलेजेस हैं जिनको गवर्नमेंट एड करती है अकॉर्डिंग टू माइनॉरिटी स्टेटस के द्वारा, सो वो ही लोग वहाँ पर टीचिंग को अपॉइंट करते हैं, वहाँ प्रोफेसर को अपॉइंट करते हैं और एनी अपॉइंटमेंट थ्रू देयर कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी ओनली. But central government and Supreme Court judged that not that much of qualified student coming from there and not just that much of qualified teacher teaching there, just going to means just degrading the teaching style in the minority institutions. So that's why Supreme Court come forward and decide means it should change the things. So that's why teacher can appoint by the central government and some other mediums. So the valid person and my experienced person and knowledgeable person can go there and teach their students. So first we can say the Supreme Court in judgment in January held that the state is well within its right to introduce regulatory regime in the national interest to provide minority educational institution will well qualified teacher in order to them achieve excellence in the education. Supreme Court given that judgment. Okay, now here we can say now we will discuss about the minority institution means MEI, minority educational institution. What is Article 30 defined that is what is the minority institutions. So here you can think over this. Okay. What is Article 39? So regional means what? Religion based institution. All minorities, whether based on the religion or language, only two things you remember: religion and language shall have the right to establish and administer educational institution of their choice. But now Supreme Court changed the judgment here. Okay, now change. So under the RTE Act means Right to Education Act, minority education institutions does not require to provide admission to child in the age group of 6 to 14 years up to 25% enrollment reserved for the economically backward section of the society. This is the important point because directly it will come in exams. So here we can say why Supreme Court changed the judgment. Some means important judgments given by Supreme Courts because of West Bengal Madrasa Services Commission Act of 2008. that is validated that the change is required in the minority education institutions. So court says that regulatory laws should, however, balance the dual objectives of ensure standard of excellence as well as preventing the right of minority to establish and administer their educational institution. Okay, so the regulation that embrace and reconcile the two objectives were reasonable. Here you should remember this. So according to means that's 11 judge bench decision in the TMA Pi Foundation case. The court said the Article 31 right to minority to establish and administer education institution of their choice was neither absolute nor above the law. Definitely this is not the above the law. Should require well qualified teacher for our student so that our means economic cycle, economic wheels can go fast. Why fast here? Okay, given that the judgment. So here remember what's the means in which article it will come. It's Article 30 that is important here in the minority for the minority institution. Dusla for the means RT Act is not applicable. 6 to 14 year up to 25 enrollment reserve categories. Here some other judgment also. We cannot reserve the candidate that much in this. Other people also can come. Economic weaker section also should be considered here apart from the minority. So this is very much important. Now I am going to other topic is most important reservation in the job. Okay, so here we can say this is why this is in news. Means Supreme Court was held reservation in appointment and promotion in public posts is not a fundamental right. So many people come forward. Okay, we should consider this is a fundamental rights because I am this community, I am that community. I am not getting the promotion in the job. I am not getting the promotion in the educational field, so that things are required. So here government of India means the Supreme Courts and the central government decide. Okay, so they decide that this is not a fundamental right. Why you are coming to Supreme Court again and again? It's totally given by Supreme Court to the people. Why you are coming to again and again? This is not a fundamental right. This is the constitutional, legal, and other rights. It's not a Supreme Court. This is not a fundamental right. So Article 64, Article 16, Clause 4 and 16(4)(a) do not provide a fundamental rights to individual to claim the reservations. Remember the article. So here no mandamus can be issued by the court directly state government to provide reservation. Mandamus means you should do, you are not doing your work as per a rule. Means the higher authority can given the lower authority. कह सकती है lower authority say why you are sitting on that seat but you are not doing the things according to that seat. Means you are a DM but you are not going to according to DM things. Means you are corrupting the things and doing some illegal thinking, not going the legal thinking. So that's why the mandamus is decided. Now Article 16 means clearly says that constitutional pertains to matter of equality of opportunity and matter of public employment. Okay, Article 16 we are saying that according to Indian Constitution. Well, the subsection 4 and 4(a) pertaining to reservation SC/ST in appointment and reservation in promotion respectively, that is pertaining here. Okay, so according to Constitution Amendment Act, here you can see Constitution Amendment Act 70 decided that was added means 16 clause A, 16 clause 4(a) subclause A here connected in the 77th Amendment Act. So here that according to this one, the nature of enabling provisions empowering the state to make reservation matter appointment promotion in favor of any backward class of citizen which may be inadequate representation in the services under the state. Here totally mentioned here inadequate inadequate representation, because before is not representing anything, adequately not representing that things, then we can say should be represent from that community here. So totally means totally clarified the things के state can enable the provision when given the reservation to other community also, so that the state are not legally bound. Yeah, totally mentioned it. State is not a legally bound here कि भाई तुम्हें वो दे ही रहा है reservation in promotion. To provide reservation, they can exercise their own discretion. What is their rule? मतलब स्टेट के क्या रूल होंगे कि भाई वो तुम्हें रिजर्वेशन प्रोवाइड करे. तो जरूरी नहीं है कि भाई वो बाउंडिंग है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने बोल दिया यू शुड डू, so you should do according to that, which means a state not fully binding. So I do not provide fundamental rights. Let's remember according to Article 60 clause 4 and 60 clause 4 sub clause A. Okay, so this is important here. Now I am going to other important news is the 103rd Constitutional Amendment Act. So many general category here waiting. Yes, here waiting. What's the we will get the 10% reservation. So this is given by the central government. So many state government also given in the form. It's the you can apply to EWS category. You should be सर्टिफाइड. दैट्स अगर जो EWS का सर्टिफिकेशन है जिसमें आप 10% का लाभ लेना चाह रहे हैं, वो आप अपने what is the local authority they will authorize that certificate. Here it will go to first means parcel. If you are living in the local area and village, if you want to benefit of this, go to the parcel. They will decide means nagar panchayat means decide is the your means you have person you have less than 5 acre land, less than 5 acre land. Okay, you are eligible less than 8 lakhs annual family income, less than 8 lakhs. Okay, no, now the parcel will clarify and checking, then it will go to Tahsildar. So what parcel going to check? क्या 5 एकड़ से कम लैंड है आपके पास? ओके यस. क्या आपकी फैमिली ग्रॉस 8 लाख पर इनकम एनुअली कमाती है? लेस देन 8 lakhs है. ओके. नाउ एग्रीकल्चर लैंड ऑफ लेस देन 5 acres. ओके. Have a house smaller than 1000 square feet. Okay. In municipality also a residential plot is smaller than 100 yard. So only that one is eligible. Another one point here, non-notified means we can say non-notified municipality, a resident plot of less than 200 yards. So those person have following means the correcting these criteria that only come under EWS category, वही 10% का लाभ ले सकते हैं. So ये 50% रिजर्वेशन कैप के अपार्ट है. it's not addition to that one, because more than 50% we cannot consider as a reservation. This is the rule of the Indian Constitution here. So here means say 50% reservation enjoyed by the member of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and other backward class. So this will take total reservation of 60% means according to that one, but this 10% is totally apart for the general category. Here Singh. So what is the process here? So EWS shall be notified by the state from time to time of the basis of family income and other indicator economic disadvantage. According to state, अपने राज्य अपने अकॉर्डिंग कि भाई इनकी इनकम बढ़ तो नहीं गई है, इनकी इनकम कम तो नहीं है, जो इनकी इनकम बढ़ गई है देन इट विल कम आउटसाइड फ्रॉम द 10% कैटेगरी. अगर कम हो गई देन दे विल कम अंडर द 10% category. Okay. So the proposed reservation intended to include such members who do not avail a benefit of reservation. Okay. This include member in the general category as well as member of the minority community including Muslim, Sikh, Buddhist, Christian and other community who do not enjoy any kind of reservation. Remember here, do not enjoy any kind of reservation. Only those people can benefit through 10% reservation means under the EWS category. So some The provisions added in this what's Article 15 Clause 6. A state can make any special provisions for the advancement of EWS community, means economic weaker section. Such reservation is not applicable for minority institution. इंस्टीट्यूशन के अंदर नहीं आएगा. Similarly, otherwise advancement of EWS citizen relate to their admission to the educational institution include private educational institution whether aided or unaided by the state. This is also important, come under EWS category, चाहे वो प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूट हो या फिर एडेड इंस्टीट्यूट हो या फिर अनएडेड इंस्टीट्यूट हो, EWS people should be considered in that one. Other provision also 16 clause 6 where the state may make any provision for reservation and appointment or post in favor of any economical weaker section of citizen in addition to the existence of reservation to a maximum 10%. 16 क्लॉज 6 के अकॉर्डिंग भी वो स्टेट कोई भी मतलब कंसिडर कर सकता है प्रमोशन, रिजर्वेशन ऑफ अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ द पोस्ट या फिर प्रमोशन के लिए ये वो कंसिडर कर सकता है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो द वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स व्हाट्स 103rd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट एक्ट टेकन बाय हियर. सो गाइस, थैंक यू वेरी मच. प्लीज वॉच एंड रीड and read. So पढ़ते रहो. Thank you guys, thank you very much.